Something massive is brewing in the AI video world. If you've been using Kling 2.6 on Higgsfield, you already know it's one of the most powerful tools for creators. But the internet is currently buzzing because Kling 3.0 is officially coming soon. We aren't talking about a minor update here. We're talking about a transition from experimental clips to a production-ready system. Today, we're breaking down the early signals, the Reddit leaks, and the official Higgsfield blog to see why Kling 3.0 might just destroy the competition. If you want to be the first to get your hands on this when it drops, I've got the early access links in the description. Let's dive into the evidence. To understand why 3.0 is such a big deal, we have to look at how fast we got here. It feels like just yesterday we were struggling with Kling 1.0, where characters looked like melting wax. Then came the jump to 2.0 and the recent 2.6 update on Higgsfield, which gave us incredible realism, but still left us wanting more control. The leap to 3.0 represents a shift in philosophy. It's moving away from just generating pixels and moving toward understanding physics. This is why the hype is at an all-time high. We are standing at the edge of the Omni era. First, let's look at the official source. Higgsfield just dropped a deep dive blog analyzing user expectations, and the word of the day is unified. Right now, AI video is fragmented. You generate a clip, then you go elsewhere for audio, then another tool for lip sync. But the blog suggests Kling 3.0 is designed as an end-to-end platform. One of the holy grails mentioned here is regional inpainting. This would allow us to modify specific areas of a video, like changing a character's shirt or a background prop, without regenerating the entire clip. This moves Kling from being just a generator to a full-blown AI video editor. They also mention native 4K at 60 frames per second. Let's pause and talk about why that matters for your channel. Most AI video right now looks dreamy or slightly blurry because it's capped at 1080p. When you upscale it, you lose that crisp cinematic texture. Native 4K means you can crop into your shots, use them in professional commercials, or show them on a massive 4K TV without seeing those telltale AI artifacts. And at 60 frames per second, that is the secret sauce for slow motion. Imagine generating a high-action sports shot or a cinematic slow-mo rain sequence that actually looks smooth instead of choppy. Now, look at the official signals from X. Higgsfield just dropped a promotional image with the phrase, "from vision to screen." What does this tell us? Well, the recent Omni models we've seen were the test bed. Those models tested director memory, the ability for the AI to remember character details and scene logic across multiple shots. The teaser signals that Kling 3.0 is the consolidation of all those experiments. It's taking the native audio of 2.6, the multimodal reasoning of the O1 models, and the precision of motion control, and fusing them into one beast of a model. The goal isn't just a 5-second clip anymore. It's a consistent 15 to 30-second sequence with perfect character stability. The Reddit community over at the Higgsfield AI subreddit is already dissecting the technical patterns, and the excitement is through the roof. One of the top theories is that Kling 3.0 is a Sora 2.0 killer. While other companies are pushing 25-second clips, Redditors are predicting Kling 3.0 will push standard generation to 30 or even 60 seconds. Think about what that does for your workflow. Instead of stitching together 23-second clips and praying the characters look the same, you could generate a whole scene in one go. The community is also laser-focused on physical interaction. We've all seen AI videos where people hug and their bodies melt together. Reddit users are pointing to a rumored new physics engine in 3.0 that handles contact moments like fighting, hugging, or handling complex objects with realistic collisions. This would solve the uncanny valley problem that has plagued AI video for the last year. If 3.0 can accurately render a person picking up a glass of water without the glass merging into their hand, the game is officially over for traditional stock footage. So, how do you prepare for this? If you're a creator, you need to start mastering your prompt engineering now. The blog hints that 3.0 will respond better to natural language rather than just a string of keywords. On Higgsfield, you can already practice this. Use their Cinema Studio to experiment with lighting prompts, like volumetric fog or golden hour rim lighting. By the time 3.0 drops, you'll already know how the engine reacts to these cinematic terms, giving you a massive head start over everyone else. Why should you be waiting for this on Higgsfield specifically? Because they are the fastest to integrate these drops. Right now, on Higgsfield, you can use motion control to choreograph your camera and Soul ID to keep your characters consistent. When 3.0 drops, it won't just be a prompt box, it will be integrated into this professional workflow. Higgsfield is famous for their unlimited offers. If you look at the creator plans, they often give you unlimited iterations. Imagine having unlimited access to a 4K, 60 frames per second, 30-second video generator. That is where the real power lies for creators. No more worrying about wasting credits on an experiment. You can just create until it's perfect. Kling 3.0 is the moment AI video grows up. We're moving from cool tech to real filmmaking. If you want to be at the front of the line, click the first link in the description to join the Kling 3.0 Early Access on Higgsfield. Use the second link to read that full blog post we looked at. It's a goldmine for prompt engineering ideas. Are you most excited for the 4K quality, the 60-second clip length, or the new physics engine? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because as soon as this drops, I'll be here with a full hands-on tutorial and a side-by-side comparison with the old models. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.